What's up, everybody? My name is Miles. I'm with Holiday World of Dallas, and today we just got in this 2021 Keystone Outback 341RD. So let's go take a look at it. So as we walk around this Outback 341RD, this is going to be a luxury high-end travel trailer. It's going to be about 38 foot 8 inches long and 8,300 pounds. So go along the outside here, you're going to have a 7-point auto leveling system. So that will be this here, starting with the tongue jack. That'll also be involved in the leveling. And then you'll have your propane tanks and batteries up front, docking lights on the outside as well. For your pass-through storage, you're going to have a slide-out tray. So this tray will slide out, give you easy access. You're gonna have an east to west facing bed in the bedroom, which is why you have a more narrow storage space up here up front than you would see in a traditional travel trailer that has a northwest facing bed, but you'll see that when we go inside. Your awning outside with your lighting gonna be on the strip of the, or on the arm of the awning there. And as we go around, it's gonna be a 3-slide unit. So this is gonna be the slide in the living area there on the back. Full walkable roof, so you're going to have a ladder for access on there. Then you're going to have another slide here in the living area. So this one is almost going to have like a fifth wheel type of floor plan. You'll see when we go inside. And then this is going to be the slide out in the bedroom there, which is going to be the bed slide with storage underneath. So then let's go step inside. So as we step inside, you'll see what I'm talking about as far as having a fifth wheel type of floor plan with this rear den setup. So you're gonna have 2 recliners here facing the 55-inch screen TV with the fireplace, and then 2 sofas here in the slide outs that are gonna also come out as beds. Storage above the TV there. You're gonna have a barreled ceiling, so a nice ceiling height in here. And then in your kitchen, you're gonna have your pantry space in here, refrigerator, cooktop and stove, and then you're gonna have some decent counter space here around the sink, and then your microwave setup there. You'll have a legless dinette with this bench that can be moved either under the dinette or it can be stored in the closet in the bedroom. And you can see there, no legs underneath, so don't have to worry about hitting your legs on anything. And you're gonna have outlets and USB ports next to the table there, which is just a nice touch. As we go back here through the hallway, you're gonna have a walk-through bathroom. Great storage in the bathroom here for all of your stuff. Corner shower. I like what they did with just the black accents, makes it look really clean. And then your sink and medicine cabinet there. Going into the bedroom, you're gonna have a full east to west bed there. It's gonna be a king size bed. And then you can see in the wardrobe space that you have over there, as well as your drawers that you have here. Mounting spot for a TV if you do want a TV in the bedroom. Then as we go here, Outbacks this year are coming equipped with the washer dryer hookups. So that's where that would go in here if you do want the washer dryer setup. And then you're gonna have your wardrobe space here for all of your clothes and all of those items. So again, this is the Outback 341RD, and my name is Miles. I'm with Holiday World of Dallas, and we'll walk through here one more time, just give you one final look at it.